Once again, mathematics 1B, limits and continuity. In this limits and continuity, this one is the part 10th. Exercise 8D, infinite limits. Here, today discuss one theorem, that is sandwich theorem. Which theorem? Sandwich theorem or squeeze theorem. Squeeze theorem. Squeeze theorem or sandwich theorem. What is the meaning of sandwich theorem? Here, in this sandwich theorem, you have to take three functions. One is f of x, another one is g of x, one more is h of x. Here, f of x comma g of x and h of x are functions, or any three functions of x such that these three functions f of x is less than g of x, g of x is less than h of x. Nothing but here f of x is the least function, h of x is the more greatest function. And limit extends to a f of x is equal to limit extends to a h of x. Here the limit extends to a f of x function equal to limit extends to a h of x function. This both function limits are equal to some real number L. Some real number L. By the sandwich theorem or squeeze theorem, limit extends to g of x also be equal to L. What is the sandwich theorem? In the sandwich theorem, f of x comma g of x comma h of x are any three functions. These three are any three functions. In these three functions, here f of x value less than g of x, g of x value less than h of x. This is the condition. F of x value less than g of x, g of x value less than h of x. Nothing but h of x is the greatest function, f of x is the least function. In this case, suppose limit extends to a f of x. Here limit extends to a f of x value equal to some constant L. Similarly, limit extends to a h of x also be equal to some L. Here limit extends to a f of x value equal to L. Limit extends to a h of x also be equal to L. Then similarly, by the sandwich theorem or squeeze theorem, limit extends to g of x value also be equal to L. Here these two functions limits are equal to some constant. Similarly, g of x also be equal to L. Suppose f of x value equal to L, g of x value equal to L, then h of x also be equal to L. This is a one more condition. This theorem is called sandwich theorem or squeeze theorem. In this theorem, by using infinite limit trigonometry function problems. This problem, exercise A to D, infinite limits, Roman number 3, question number 4. In this problem, by using sandwich theorem. Read the problem. Limit extends to minus infinity. 6x square minus cos 3x all by x square plus 5. This one is the problem. In this problem, cos function is there. Here first year mathematics 1A trigonometry ratios up to transformation chapter is there. In that chapter, the range of sine and cos, tan, cot, secant, cosecant already is there. Explained mathematics 1A trigonometries are. Suppose what is the range of cos x? The range of cos x is minus 1 comma 1. The range of cos x is minus 1 comma 1. He already explained here minus 1 comma 1 is the range. Here the range of cos 3x. What is the range of cos 3x? Here also be range equal to minus 1 comma 1. The range of sin x, the range of cos x, the range of tan, cot, secant, cosecant, these all ranges are mathematics 1a trigonometry chapter is there. Here the range of cos x is minus 1 comma 1. The range of cos 3x also be minus 1 comma 1, cos 3 by x, cos 2 by x, cos x by 2, these are the range also be equal to minus 1 comma 1. Here minus 1 less than or equal to cos 3x less than or equal to 1. Minus 1 comma 1 range nothing but this is the number line 0, minus 1, 1. This is the minus 1 comma 1 range. Nothing but minus 1 less than or equal to cos 3x less than or equal to 1. And here cos 3x lies between minus 1 to 1, included minus 1 and 1. Here in this problem the coefficient of cos 3x is what here? Minus is there. That's why in this equation multiplying on both sides, negative, nothing but minus. Here this total equation multiplied with minus of minus 1. Here less than or equal to change with greater than or equal to. Here if any inequation multiplied with negative, less than can be changed greater than can be changed less than. Here minus of minus 1 greater than or equal to minus cos 3x. Here less than or equal to there, that is changed greater than or equal to minus 1. Here minus of minus nothing but 1 greater than or equal to minus cos 3x greater than or equal to minus 1. What is the meaning of this one? This one is, what is the meaning of this? Minus cos 3x lies between 1 to minus 1. Wrong. Minus 1 to 1. Here minus 1 cos 3x more than minus 1 less than 1. Nothing but this can be written as minus 1 less than or equal to minus cos 3x less than or equal to 1. This is the meaning of, what is the meaning of minus cos 3x? Minus cos 3x value equal to minus 1 or more than minus 1, equal to 1 or less than 1. That can be written as in this way. This is correct or not? 100% this is correct one. After that here 6x square is there. 6x square is there. That's why this minus cos 3x, this minus cos 3x adding on both sides, 6x square. 6x square added 6x square minus 1 less than or equal to, here also be adding 6x square, 6x square minus cos 3x less than or equal to, here also be adding 1 with 6x square, 6x square plus 1. Here 6x square minus cos 3x is there. Here one more is there, x square plus 5 is there. Here x square plus 5 having denominator nothing but divisible. That's why here x square plus 5 dividing on both sides, x square plus 5 dividing on both sides. First term is 6x square minus 1 by x square plus 5, divide completed, less than or equal to 6x square minus cos 3x by x square plus 5. Second term also be dividing. Third term 6x square plus 1 by x square plus 5. After that here this function, here 6x square minus cos 3x by x square plus 5, here also be same. But one more limit also be not there here. Here the limit is what here? Limit is x tends to infinity. That nothing but applying on both sides, limit x tends to minus undefined, minus infinity. Applying on both sides, here limit x tends to minus infinity, 6x square minus 1 by x square plus 5 less than or equal to, here also be right limit x tends to minus infinity, 6x square minus cos 3x all by x square plus 5 less than or equal to, here also be applying on limit x tends to infinity minus infinity, 6x square plus 1 by x square plus 5. Suppose this is equation number 1. This is the equation. This is which equation? Sandwich equation. Nothing but this total is f of x is less than this total is g of x is less than this total is h of x. This total is what here? H of x. Then these two terms are equal or these two terms are equal. Here you can equal any two terms. Here this term equal to this or this term equal to this by equation 1. Here in equation 1 by using sandwich theorem, this total is f of x. This one is the g of x, this one is the h of x. These two terms are equal or these two terms are equal. You can take any one condition by equation 1. From equation 1 by using sandwich theorem, by the sandwich theorem, this value limit x tends to minus infinity value 6x square minus cos 3x by x square plus 5. This total value equal to this one or this one. You can write any one condition. I will write this term equal to this term. Limit x tends to minus infinity 6x square plus 1 by x square plus 5. After that, this one is the question. You can solve this one, you get answer. That is the answer of this one. After that, here simple shortcut method applied here. Here what is the highest degree here? What is the highest degree? Limit x tends to minus infinity. Here x square is the highest degree. You can common x square in numerator. Here 6 is there. 6x 6 plus 1 by x square whole by. Here also be x square is the highest degree. You can common x square. Here no one is there, 1 is there, plus 5 by x square. X square get cancelled. Remaining what? Limit x tends to minus infinity 6 plus 1 by x square whole by 1 plus 5 by x square. Remaining term here. Here you can apply limit here. You can apply limit. Here x approaches to minus infinity. Nothing but limit x tends to minus infinity 6x square minus cos 3x by x square plus 5 equal to. Here apply x value minus infinity. Here 6 plus 1 by minus infinity square by 1 plus 5 by minus infinity square. Here you can write 6 plus 1 by minus infinity square, nothing but infinity square. Infinity square nothing but undefined into undefined, always coming to the undefined. That's why you can write 1 by undefined. 1 plus, here also 5 by minus infinity square, nothing but infinity square. Infinity square also be equal to undefined. Here something by infinity value equal to 0. This is very important point. Something by infinity. Here you can write 6 plus something by infinity value equal to 0. 1 plus something by 0. Here something is any value. 5 by infinity, 5 by undefined, that value equal to 0. You can write 6 plus 0 value 6, 1 plus 0 value 1, you get 6. Which value of 6 here? This 6 value equal to limit x tends to minus infinity 6x square minus cos 3x by x square plus 5. This value equal to 6. In these problems are unexpected questions in IP examination. 4 marks questions, sometimes this problems coming 2 marks only. This problem using sandwich theorem, very unexpected important problem. Next, today assignment or homework problem. This one is the assignment problem. Do that this problem previous problem model. Okay, here read the problem. This one is Roman number 3. Question number 2, exercise 8D. Limit x tends to minus infinity 2 plus sin x by x square plus 3. Already explained the range of sin x. The range of sin x is the range of sin x is minus 1 comma 1. This topic explained mathematics 1A trigonometry, right? Here the sin x range is here minus 1 less than or equal to sin x less than or equal to 1. Here this is the condition. In this condition, here 2 plus is the nothing but here sin x in this condition adding on both side 2. After that dividing on both side x square plus 3. After that applying on both side limit x tends to minus infinity. After that by using sandwich theorem the function equal to any one condition. Previous problem model you can do that. This problem previous problem model you get compulsory answer.